Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about objects in JavaScript. Objects in JavaScript are sometimes called dictionaries, like it is called in Python and other languages. Objects are important in JavaScript because most database systems today store data using the object formats, also known as JSON. And this stands for JavaScript Object Notation. This is how objects are written in JavaScript. First, you declare it as a variable using the const or var keyword. Let's say my object. You set it to a key of name and a value of Ali. Then you set an object of age, a value of 55. Set the location, a value of Nigeria, and you set the balance to a value of 5,500. Now let's console.log my object C. We have the name set to Ali, the age set to 55, the location set to Nigeria, and the balance set to 5,500. Now let me explain this. An object always has the opening and closing curly brackets. This right here is the key in quotes, and this right here is the value in quotes, and both of them represent an object item. This is an object item. Each object item is separated with a comma sign here from another object item. And also, if you notice, the numbers are not written in quotes. That's because they are integers. This means you can have any data type in an object. All you need to understand is the key and value structure objects have. This is the key and this is the value. This is the key and this is the value. As you can see in this example, the valuable data is Ali, 55, Nigeria, 5,500. But for us to access this valuable set of data, we need a key that represents them, so that when we call the key, it will return the value stored in it to us. Before we go to the next video, I want to show you that arrays can also be placed in an object. So let's create an object of my friend called Emily. So let's say var Emily, and let's set a name to string of Emily Bassi, an age of 24. Let's set place of birth to a string of Uyo, and let's set the children key. So let's say she has a child called Susan. She has another one called Meg. She has another one called Flora. As you can see right here, I placed the children in an array. Let's console.log this object called Emily and see what we have. As you can see, we have the name Emily Bassi, age 24, place of birth Uyo, children Susan, Meg, and Flora. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you very much.